Okay, pieces of the building have arrived. We'll go through real quick. I'm guessing these are the, I don't know what these are honestly, but here's a sneak preview of the color. Right there. That's a wainscoting color. So this is December 4th. We're gonna have a crew out here hopefully within a week to start putting together. This is the, I guess you would call them what, pylons, foundation. These are some thick. So it's gonna go into the ground up to here. And then the wood slides in through there. Oh, that's a lot of them. Here's more. It's been covered to protect it. This is all the wood. Here's the peak, or the trusses, if you will. Building is 36 by 48, 36 wide, 48 long. From this point, it's 12 feet high. So it's gonna go 12 feet. And it's gonna go right there where the new dirt has been laid. It's the process of hurry up and wait. We'll catch you on the next part.